Hi everyone, I'm Sylvia and you're watching my channel Amara. Today I will do an unboxing of the 3 different versions of This Might Hurt Tarot. I made the different gilding on the sides, so I ordered all of them. So let's start. This is the first one. It's with the black holographic foil edges version. This is the first edition of the deck. I will unpack the 3 of them. This is the gold foil edges version. This was a limited edition actually, as the pearl edges. Okay, I think the boxes are the same. Good. With the pearl edges is a little bit, you see, shorter. Interesting. We'll see. So the standard version, black holographic edges. Let's start with them. The creator of this tarot is Isabela Rotman, and she is a cartoonist, illustrator, and self-publisher in Chicago. She started drawing this deck because she was learning how to read tarot, but she was distracted from the medieval scenes and feel of the Rider-Waite-Smith deck. So she started as a casual project where she draws the cards to learn the symbols, and then after 2 years, she completed the 78 cards. The illustrations are, the coloring is by Edison Duke. So this is the box. It's gold gilded, and we see all the suits here. It's with magnetic closure. When you open, you see the flower in the death card. We have a little white book. So this is the bottom. This Might Hurt Tarot, first edition, all content and images by Isabela Rotman, 2019. Okay. This Might Hurt Tarot is a modern deck in the Rider-Waite-Smith tradition, keeping time-honored symbolism but losing the medieval context. This deck is designed to be both easy to read and highly relatable. Clothing and scenery are modernized, diversity is embraced, and queerness is lovingly acknowledged. It's beautiful. This deck is compared to the Modern Witch Tarot, which I have also, and you can look in my channel the unboxing. And some of the people prefer the Modern Witch, so, some of them, This Might Hurt Tarot. I will make a video of both of them so you can decide which one do you like. So this is the little white book. Let me see. Here we have 180 pages. She mentioned all the decks she was looking at while she drew this. The Marigold, the Sosoribito, the Enchanted, the Golden Thread Tarot, Ostara, Fyodor Pavlov Tarot series, Dragon Age Inquisition Tarot, the After Tarot Fairy Tale, Light Grey Art Lab Tarot, and Suit of Swords Illustration series by Sarah Kippen. Interesting. So we have an introduction here, then history, reading, past, present, future, mind, body, spirit, current situation, obstacle, advice. So we have tarot spread, the language of tarot, the major arcana, just shortly for the minor suits, the different suits, the court cards, the numbered cards, then for the major arcana you have the depiction and one page for each of the arcanas. And for the minors we have the same, one page. Okay. So it looks like this, the gilding, really beautiful. Great. After I will unpack the other ones, but first to see the cards. These are the backings. We have all of the suits, Ouroboros we see here, it's black and white, and the woman figure of the world card. The card stock is matte, is relative thick. Let me see if the other. It's different from the Modern Witch. It's thinner than the Modern Witch, yeah. But the size is traditional, the standard size. So this gilding adds a little bit of magic in this deck. I love it. Wow, great. So let's start. The Fool. It's standard. Smelling the white. Maybe I will we'll zoom a little bit. It's smelling the wild, the white rose. He has a dog, which is a pug, which I love. He has a bag, but the modern type of bag. And here is the bridge of San Francisco. The Magician. Again, traditional, we see all of the suits here, as above, so below, and the infinity sign. Actually, the major arcana and some of the minor arcana, they are real people, portraits of real people. The High Priestess. We see here behind the water, we see the, instead of the pillars, we see trees. Here the pomegranate is again the Christian moon, the book, the sign of triple moon. And we have some magic mushrooms here, which the shamans used for their spiritual journeys. The Empress. She feels comfortable in her own skin. We see the Venus. Instead of crown, she has this I don't know the word, but the stars are here. I like her dress. The Emperor. See the Ram, the Ankh here, Globus. He is in business suit. This is the modern armor, actually. The Hierophant. It's the same, the keys. Right. The Lovers. We see the connection, the body language of connection between the two of them. And we feel their vulnerability. And also the angel above. The two against the world. The Chariot. Here we see, instead of horses, motorcycles. And it's interesting because there are two motorcycles and the two legs, the woman, one on the other, and it's interesting, but it feels very strong. And they're also white and black. In the modern witch tarot also we have motorcycle on the Chariot card. The Strength. She's so gentle to the Lion. I like the colors. The Hermit. The Lantern. Shining out. The Star of David. In modern coat. And she's a woman. Here we have more diversity than in the modern witch. There are only women, and here we see different races, ethnicity, different body shapes. This was the intention of Isabela Rotman. The Wheel of Fortune. We have here all the elements, fire, earth, air and water. She's half lion, half woman. The Snake. The Justice. Have the sword. Again, the traditional images, attributes. The Hanged Man. This is a bird. Here we see a bird. And this glow around his head is interesting. The Death card, traditional. Oh, the horse has red eyes as the crown of the Death. Temperance. Gender neutral. We have all the symbols again. The Devil card. We see drunk people. We feel bondage, self-made bondage. As above, so below. She's pregnant. Maybe this Baphomet. The Tower. Lightning, people falling down. We have the waves. The Star. She's with a little belly. Naked. The Moon. These two women with animal masks. And the crab coming out of the water, the subconscious. We have white and black tree. It's like going through fears. We have to go through fears and to see that nothing is as we think that it is. Actually, in the Modern Witch Tarot, the two figures are wearing masks, animal masks also. The Sun. We don't have a horse, we have two dogs. Here, the sunflowers, the sun, the child, the Judgment. We see, I think, Anubis. The man is between the heart and the mind. We have different man figures. Maybe different decisions here that this person made. The World. The Ouroboros, the four elements we see. So this were the major Arcana. Ace of Wands. And each suit has is colored by the suitable color of the suit. Against the modern scenery here. Two of Wands, looking for a new adventure. She has to choose where to go next. Three of Wands. We see different tools here for her creativity. Four of Wands, we have some bunny family instead of people. Five of Wands, dog fight. Six of Wands is interesting, is she is a female. Seven of Wands. She's looking like she's thinking what to do, to act or not. She must defeat herself. Eight of Wands. Again, animals, speed, motion. Nine of Wands. Like he has a problem. He's stuck. Not so creative. And I like the different pens here. Ten of Wands. Again, this burden and this bird here. Page of Wands. Artistic. Knight of Wands. Again, the motorcycle. Fire and Passion. Queen of Wands. We have the black cat and the sunflower. She's painting. Knight of Wands is a woman. King of Wands, I mean. King of Wands is a woman. Ace of Cups in blue colors. And the cup is modern, you see. Two of Cups. There are two men. And they have something like Starbucks cups. The Ouroboros. And lion. Like an angel. Three of Cups, celebrating. These pumpkins here. The cups. Different personalities, different body shapes. Four of Cups. She's meditating or making yoga. She's making mudras also. Emotional stability. Five of Cups. Have here the bridge, the urban feel, emotional loss, and it can be any gender. Six of Cups. On a balcony, gardening. Seven of Cups, again traditional, different things in the different cups. We have this bird here. Eight of Cups. Moving from something which is already broken. Nine of Cups. He's looking content, happy, he's mastering something. Ten of Cups. We see these birds and the different type of cups. Page of Cups. See the calm sea, lotuses here, and this fish in the back. Knight of Cups, awesome. Again, motorcycle. Like Mercury, the planet. Queen of Cups. She's comfortable with her emotions. The King of Cups, confident, wise. He manages good his emotions. Ace of Cups. in gray colors. Two of Cups. She's taking her time to make the decision. Three of Cups. This one. Again, this the lesson is already learned. Four of Swords. She's sleeping with her knife. Five of Swords. Something stolen here. Six of Swords. We see he's escaping, but the snake is following him or her. But I think it's him. Seven of Swords. Rushing. Eight of Swords. She's kneeled and protect herself from the reality, being stuck, and the rope is so tight, but she can escape. Nine of Swords, again, the traditional image, anxiety, worry, overwhelmed. But they're not the knives stuck in the body, and we got the feeling from the mental worries. Oh, yes, this was Nine of Swords. Yes, right, this is right. So we have here in the body, in the Ten of Swords, stuck in the back. Page of Swords. Again, the motorcycle, Knight of Swords. Riding against the wind. Queen of Swords. She's in a business chair, confident. Knight of Swords. He's smart, he has the falcon here, power and control of the situation. Ace of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles, juggling, surrounded by water. It's interesting, and her hair also. Has blue colors. Three of Pentacles. They're making a statue together. Collaboration. Four of Pentacles. Holding his resources. Feeling a little bit greedy, like a businessman. Like an investor. Five of Pentacles. It's a traditional image. Six of Pentacles. Rebalancing the financial rewards. Seven of Pentacles. Waiting patiently. But he's optimistic. Eight of Pentacles, mastering the craft. Nine of Pentacles, enjoying her life. We have the bird here. Ten of Pentacles, the family feeling, different generations again. Page of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles, first thinking, then acting, the Queen of Pentacles, she looks so tender, and the Knight of Pentacles, feeling comfortable, the Ram again here. So from the shuffling, you see they shuffle great. So let's open the other one. This is the gold gilded edition. So we see the same. Yeah, the box is the same. And I will make like this, and this is the gilding. I'm not sure which I prefer. And let's see the other one. Okay, everything is the same. Wow. And they look like this. It's actually like silver gilding, but it's nicer. So let's put them all together. The gold edges are out of stock, so you can still buy the other two. You can decide which one you like the most. So this was This Might Hurt Tarot with the different edges. If you like this video, you can give me a like or subscribe to my channel Amara. And if you like a tarot consultation or astrological consultation, you can contact me. Thank you very much. Bye bye.